Here we are at the Legless Corral, and it's dinner time. It's a new thing. It's a TV dinner concept by Jolene's Wings. It's like an offshoot of Lazy Dog Cafe corporate chain. But this their answer to COVID. Frozen TV dinners. Fuck off, really? Yeah, I got flies. Door's open. I can't get up. But pot roast. Garlic potatoes. Redskin. Nice. Green beans, slivered almonds. I don't know what that is. It's probably delicious. And a nice cobbler. They're $12 a piece. You can get six for 60. So I'm gonna live on this. It's delicious. It's the end of the world food. We're back to the 50s.